Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today as usual we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can delete your Twitter account. So before we start with our video, please like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. And do make sure to watch this video till the end so you can see all the steps clearly and do as you would like to. So let's go. So just go to your Twitter app. Once your app is opened, then you will tap on this profile icon above left corner. Tap on that, and then you will directly go to the option called Settings and Support. Tap on that option, then you have two options popped up. Go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on that option, and the first option you have is your account. Yes, that's what we need. Tap on that your account option. So tap on that deactivate account option, and then you have this article popped up with informations, and yeah, you will just skip that. If you want to read, you can, and otherwise I'll skip that part, and I will tap on this deactivate option. Tap on that option, and now we will put in your password, and you can again tap on this deactivate option. Once you tap on that, your account will be deactivated, and if you again go back and log in your Twitter account in the time of 30 days after the deactivation, then you will again to get logged in. But if you will leave it and won't activate your account even after 30 days, then your Twitter account will be deleted permanently. So yeah, this is the way, and I hope this tutorial has helped you, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.